Have a look on 8th illustration now. Following is the statement of profit and loss of Sun India Limited for the year ended 31st March 2015. Here you will write the date. Comparative statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2015. So 2 years are given to you, 2014 and 15. You have to write previous year first and then current year. With a lot of care you have to write. So first thing we should have, that will be your revenue from operations. It is given revenue from operations 20 lakhs and 25 lakhs. It is given to you in the question revenue from operation 20 lakh and 25 lakh. Other incomes are also given. You have to add other incomes. And other incomes 5 lakh, 1 lakh. This will become total revenue, the first part of the question. Total revenue, the first part of the question, it will be 25 lakhs, 26 lakhs. Okay. Now, bache, next thing is given employees benefit expenses. Employees benefit expenses, we will write it in expenses. First is employees benefit expenses, and another one is given other expenses. Only two expenses are given to you and you will do the total of expenses then. That will be the second part of the question. Two type of expenses are given to you. First is bache employee benefit expenses. Now what is given? Value. In 2014, 50% of total revenue. They said 50% of this total revenue. First we have calculated total revenue. Now we will do the 50% of it. 25 lakh, half will be 12 lakh 50,000. 50% of total revenue. Another year 60% of total revenue. 60% of 26 lakhs will be 15 lakh 60,000. First year 50% of total revenue, second year 60% of total revenue. Now talk about other expenses. In first year 20% of employee benefit expenses. Now 20% of this employee benefit expense, we have to calculate 20% of this 1250, it will be 2,50,000. It is 20% of employee benefit expenses. Now this year 10% of employee benefit expenses you have to calculate. 10% of this 15 lakh 60,000. 10% of this, total them up now, it will be 15 lakh and it will be 17 lakh and 16,000. Now we have to calculate profit before tax. Profit before tax. How it will be calculated? 1 minus 2. Means total revenue minus total expenses. 25 lakh minus 15 lakh, it will be 10 lakh. Then 26 lakh minus 17 lakh 16,000, it will be 8 lakh and 84,000. 8 lakh and 84,000. Now we have to deduct tax. How much? This year 40% beta. 40% of this 10 lakh we have to calculate on income. It will be 4 lakh. And next year 50% of this income, it will be 442. Now it will be profit after tax. This is our actual profit after tax. This year 6 lakh and this year 4 lakh 42,000. Any doubt bache? We just have to go according to the information given in the question. If it is given that it is 10% or 50% of this total revenue, we will calculate 50%. If 60% is given, we will calculate 60%. Then it was given ki 20% of employee benefit expenses, so we will calculate 20% of this and 10% of this. And similarly, we will calculate the taxes, 40% of this and 50% of this. Any doubt, bache? Now we have to calculate C and D part. C will be calculated B minus A. 25 lakh minus 20 lakh, it will be 5 lakh. Then 1 lakh minus 5 lakh, it will be minus 4 lakh. You just have to put the minus figure in the bracket. Then 26 lakh minus 25 lakh, it will be 1 lakh. Then 1560 minus 1250, it will be 310. 1560 20 50, it will be 94,000 and it will be in minus. Then 216, then this will be again in minus 1116 and 42. You just have to deduct the A from the B. B minus A, B minus A, we have to go like this. It will also be in minus 158. Okay, bache. Again we have to calculate D column now. C upon A into 100. 5 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100, it will be 25%. 4 lakh divided by 5 lakh, it will be 80%. Then 1 lakh divided by 25 lakh, it will be 4% only. Percentage can be any. It can go up to more than 100,000 or it can less than 10 or any one. Even it can be in, if there is no change, it will be 0. Then 24.8%. C upon A into 100. C upon A into 100. It will be 37.6%. Then C upon A into 100, it will be 14.4%. Again 11.6% and minus 10.5. Just to C upon A into 100. Then last is which is 26.33%. Any doubt, bache?